The state has declared public holiday for all government offices, including public sector undertakings, corporations, autonomous bodies and societies under the government from today until May 31st due to severe flooding caused by Cyclone Remal. The announcement was made by the Deputy Secretary of the General Administration Department GAD of Government of Manipur following an order from the Governor. The incessant rainfall over the past few days has led to significant inundation across various parts of the state. As a result, government offices and related institutions will remain closed for 2 days. Additionally, banks, financial institutions and Life Insurance Corporation LIC have also declared holiday until tomorrow. However, the closure does not extend to essential services. Departments such as Home, Police, District Administration, Relief and Disaster Management, Power, Health and Family Welfare, Public Health Engineering PHE, Water Resources, Public Works Department PWD, GAD, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution CAF and PD, Minor Irrigation MI, Forest and Loktak Development Authority LDA will continue their operations, particularly those involved in rescue and relief efforts during the flood. Schools and colleges will observe holidays as per announcements made by the respective departments. The statement also mentioned that officers and employees on holiday should remain available via phone for any emergencies.